Today, I would like to explain the manufacturing process of bolts. The first step involves heating the material, specifically targeting the hexagonal head of the bolt. After cooling, we proceed to cut the rounded edges. Next, a short peeling process is carried out to remove oxides and debris. Once cleaning is complete, surface finishing takes place. Lubricating oil is utilized during thread forming to reduce product damage and minimize frictional heat.